Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 745 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Kvossnyc Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter in the shade Moonlight that I got in my February 2020 Ipsy glam bag. Just like my regular $12 a month small Ipsy glam bag, I got this full-size product, which I was so excited about because this full-size product has a retail value of $28, which is more than double the price of the Ipsy bag on its own, which I got 4 other products in that glam bag. So if you haven't seen my unbagging of that, I will have that video linked down below. But I was also really excited to get this because it's a new brand to me. I've never heard of Kvossnyc, but I love trying out new makeup brands. It says it's certified vegan. It has an ultra buttery texture that melts into skin. It's enriched with artichoke leaf extract. That seems unique. And evening primrose oil in shades that adjust to your skin's undertone and amplify your natural radiance. Wow. It says, this unique formula blends pigments with oregano, rosemary, and lavender extracts, creating a creamy feel that applies seamlessly and never cakes. I'm actually really curious if this has a scent to it. So here is what the packaging looks like. I love that it has a little mirror in it. I accidentally just pressed it to my nose. Even with all those ingredients I just talked about, it doesn't smell like anything. But gosh, beautiful. Okay, let me go ahead and swatch it. It really does have such a buttery texture. Oh my gosh. So pretty and reflective. And I really do feel like this is a perfect highlight shade for me because it does have those pink undertones, which would match my cool skin tone. And it's light enough for my fair skin. So I'm so excited to see how this is going to look on me, especially because it says it adds glow to dull skin. And my skin today is looking so dull. I think it's because I used a prescription retinol cream all over my skin last night, and that can really tend to dry me out. So I need to remember to not use that very often because my skin is so dry today. But so let's add the illusion of glow with this highlighter here. I like that from the swatch here. I mean, we'll see how it looks on my face, but it seems like it's the glowy type of highlighter, not the shimmer sparkle type, which I love a healthy radiant glow. So let's see if that's what I get. The Ipsy tip says to apply with fingers, so that's actually how I like to apply my highlighter anyways, so that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to start out by applying it to my cheeks. Yeah. Very easy to apply with my finger. And I think that looks like a really pretty glow. I definitely get that kind of light reflection where it's called Moonlight. I think that's such a great name for it because when the light hits it, the reflection really does kind of remind me of like a silvery moonlight reflection. So pretty. And it looks really nice on the skin. I'm really curious how this layers. Ooh, yes. It is buildable. That definitely gives me that healthy, glowy skin. Like, look at the difference with it versus without it. Like, this side of my skin looks so moisturized and dewy and radiant and healthy and everything I was hoping it to be. And so let's go ahead and apply this to my entire face. Just kidding, but kind of. And this mirror works out great. Like, I'm easily able to apply my highlighter in this mirror. It's not too small to do that. And this said that it wouldn't look cakey, and that is so true. Like, it actually does seem like it melted into my skin. Like, there is no texture, like no detectable texture from this. It really just kind of looks like the highlighter's built into my skin. That's how much it's like melted in, which I love. I don't like having texture on my skin, like visible cakiness or powder or anything like that. Seriously, like, you would not be able to guess that I had very dry skin today with this glow. Oh, love it. Okay, so I actually don't have any highlighter on, so I'm also going to use this as a brow highlight. Ooh, a beautiful color for the brow highlight. And I also really love when I can tie the highlight shade together. So when it's the same highlight that matches my cheeks and my brow bone and even the inner corners on my eye here, I feel like when it's all cohesive, I just really like that look. So I'm also, with that being said, going to apply it here. Ooh, yes, that works, because if it's a shade that is too dark in the inner corner, it's not going to look right. But no, this is also a beautiful inner corner highlight that's really going to brighten the eyes. Wow, so this one shade here works for all of the places that I like to apply my highlighter, which is so convenient. If I'm traveling, this could be just the only highlighter that I bring, and I don't have to bring separate highlighters for all the different places that I like to wear it. And I'm seriously just obsessed with this formula. I love that it's buildable, but what I really am like obsessed with is how undetectable it is on the skin. Like, for how bright and pigmented it is, it's amazing that you can't see. Like, looking at the texture on my skin, you can't see where it starts and ends in comparison to the rest of like my face, if that makes any sense on the texture. Like, it's so beautiful. So my first experience with this Kvossnyc brand was so successful. I really want to try out more from this brand. So if you have any recommendations, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. If you're not already aware, I will be doing a full dedicated review video on all of the makeup products that I got in my Ipsy clam bags and my BoxyCharm box for the month of February. So I have a lot of really exciting new makeup products to try out. If there are any products that I got that you're most anxious for me to try out first in these videos, let me know in the comments down below. And I, of course, always do my monthly full face makeup tutorial using all of my Ipsy products. So I'm going to continue using this throughout the month. And then when I do my full face makeup tutorial with all of Ipsy, I can give you an update on how I've been liking this. And that goes for all of the other products that I got in February as well. But thank you again for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.